Hi, Randall.
Hi, Flapper.
How are you?
I'm good.
That's good to hear. What are we having for dinner tonight?
Big dinner we have tonight, Flapper.
What are we having?
We have white rice, stew peas, and what we have oxtail.
Yes.
How again, Flapper?
And salt beef.
And salt beef together.
Yes.
so,
It's a holy weekend, so you get two different type of meats.
But holy weekend and a fish.
No, tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
Okay. On that Tuesday,
That's why we cook today, because we don't cook. Yeah.
Yes, Flapper.
So we're having some stew peas and white rice. It's a simple dish, so...
No. This is a big dish.
It's a big dish?
A big dish.
This is my second time making it
Flapper,
ever,
this is a big dish.
Lord have mercy.
No, small dish. This is a big dish, Flapper.
Lord
You
have
can't
mercy.
look, this is a big dish. Original stew peas this with oxtail, and salt beef. Flapper, big dish this. And Flapper, tonight, I'm going to say, any your taste good tonight, Flapper, what I'm say it now, Flapper.
Okay.
Because it's a special food, you know. I tell you, Flapper.
I'm always nervous when I cook something I know you like.
Flapper, but me say Flapper because you're in trouble if you don't taste good, Flapper. No, it's not Flapper. The Flapper, you're going to go right tonight, Flapper.
Okay.
You know, whole part of him talk, man.
I'm nervous.
Now we're yourself tonight, Flapper.
Don't worry.
Now we're yourself tonight, Flapper. I tell you, just happy yourself tonight, Flapper. I tell you, say, so far, I tell you, Flapper, I gone.
Bop.
And we didn't meet every tough, Flapper.
Box foot, no.
But I tell you, Flapper, I gone. Come on, I tell you, it's a big food this, Flapper. Flapper, big food this. Papa, I stew chicken this, you know.
Your stew chicken, stew peas, Poppy.
Wow.
Whatcha? For it to be your favorite, I feel good
Papa,
so far.
Papa, I tell you, when you cook your food, them where I don't know, and then taste this is a real original food, Papa. It's a big food, Papa. You get more than 10 cents, Papa.
No, I'm afraid. I don't want you to hype me up and then you tell me the meat stuff. So I'm going to calm myself and wait.
Oh, Papa, I tell you. You want me to cook right now, Papa? I tell you. I tell you. I would have shut out of the park, my friend. Shut out of the park.
I cannot.
You cook too, Flapper. See there? Flapper, you cook too. Yes. Flapper, yes. Flapper, I don't know, but this your food here. 10.5.
10.5?
Flapper.
Period.
I don't have nothing to say about the food, Flapper. It's bad food. A big food this evening, Flapper.
10.5.
So, 10.5, Flapper, and cut. Finish, I'm look at that. I'm looking
Stressed?
I look stressed. I'm not stressed now, I want to Flapper. I'm not stressed. You know, I feel like peas, you know, I don't meet me, which help me to see everything. Bad food, sir. Bad food, sir, Papa.